Thank you very much. My question is for Andreas. Thank you for a very interesting talk. So I speak as a homo technicus. I have a technical piece in my ear which helped me to understand. I speak as somebody who champions choice and champions the possibilities of technology to improve our lives. But my question is about your comments on cryonics. You had one slide where you showed cryonic suspension, people who were put after their death into a low temperature. And I think you used the word pseudoscience to describe that. So my question is, why do you assign this as pseudoscience, given that there are many scientists who do believe in the possibility of low temperature preservation of organs and then of individuals, and then bringing them back to life again at some later stage? What gives you the authority to describe that as pseudoscience?
Thank you for that question.
Thank you for the question. I actually said that this is related to the limits. It touches upon the borders of pseudoscience or failed science. Now the speaker corrects himself. So,
scientists in the world.
If something cannot be proved scientifically or or experimentally, this touches upon the limits of pseudoscience. If we manage to bring back to life a man via cryonics, then I guess these limits will change. But for the moment, I dare to say that many scientists globally have this kind of belief and approach.
Thank you very much. That's the second question. Here, please. While we're waiting for the microphone, I encourage us all to meet our speakers and ask also more technical questions as we go out in our breaks and so forth, please.
Thank you. My question is Professor Chitoiu, if I pronounce well, I don't know. Αλλά μήπως θα το πω στα ελληνικά καλύτερα.
I will better speak in Greek, says the speaker. You said about the fact that transhumans try to find or look for perfection. So my question is, what are the sources, some transhumans who say and believe that they know what perfection looks like? Because I believe we have the tendency to say and believe that all transhumans are looking for something and that they know where they're actually going, what is their, let's say, focus. They try to eradicate the imperfections. So this is relied on the idea that they do know what perfection is. So could you provide some examples that can actually show that transhumans know what perfection is and where lies perfection?
Thank you. Yes. This is a difficult question. You see, there are several understandings, and this is the difficulty. What I try to present is that according to a spiritual practice, they developed a certain understanding of what is possible. But what is possible? Perfection? I don't think so. Betterment is the word, to be better. But betterment in a very special, different way, because it's a matter of created and uncreated reality. The reality is the big question. What is real? What is reality? We have here with us Professor David Bradshaw, who had great contribution of uncreated energies. They are working in us. So perfection is not possible. Betterment is ever and ever and ever. Thank you.